Magnesium carbonate can be used as refractory material, insulation for boilers and pipes, and as an additive for food, medicine, cosmetics, rubber, ink, etc. Magnesium carbonate ball press is a kind of difficult-to-press forming powder material into ball equipment, widely used. The output of the equipment quality directly affects the production of pellets, so we should try our best to choose a good manufacturer. The use of good equipment get good quality to improve our economic efficiency. Due to the special nature of the work, magnesium carbonate ball press, in the process of work, there will be different degrees of wear, serious equipment failure back, if the equipment selection pass, then in the late production process, magnesium carbonate ball press equipment, where consumption will be reduced, the failure rate is significantly lower than the inferior material selection equipment, effectively improve the working cycle of equipment, comprehensive production efficiency is higher.